guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I will be sharing with you my process, my organization of my fall decor, because I want to pull everything out, go through it, write out if I need to buy anything, if I want to repurpose anything and things like that. So I wanted to take you along so you kind of see my thought process and how I get things organized to decorate my whole home for the fall. I know this is still pretty early for some of you for fall, but being a YouTuber, we want to provide you with inspiration for your decor, so we always try to get things out a little earlier than usual, so that way you can have the inspiration, the DIYs, or the whatever it is that you get from these videos for your fall decor. So I also want to mention that this is a video that is in part of a challenge hosted by Shoshana from the Cleaning Queen, and make sure you check out her channel, which I will link down below. And she is such a wonderful lady. She has put on these challenges for us to do, and there's DIY challenges, there's she does a lot of cleaning on her cleaning channel, but she also has a DIY channel, which I will link both of her channels in the description box. So I'm going to show you where all my stuff is, and then I'm going to share with you what's in these bins and what I have, and kind of what I'm gonna be doing. So I had pulled out two things already, but this section right here is all my fall decor for inside and outside. Now I will only be pulling stuff out for the inside right now. Some of the things that I'm not sure whether they're gonna go inside or outside, I might pull out, but most of this stuff that I will pull out is for the indoor decor. So now that I had pulled out everything out of the storage area, I kind of go through it and see what I need. I have a little clipboard that I have on hand, and I just take notes and write everything down that I need to buy. I know that, for example, I am doing so I always have a fall beverage station, more like a coffee station, and I like to buy like pumpkin spice latte syrups or any other syrups that go in it that are kind of fall flavored. So, and I've just noticed that I'm all out of those, so I write that down so that way I know what I need to buy. I just discovered that I was going to do a DIY with some pumpkins, and I was at the store looking for some pumpkins. I actually have a haul. If you haven't seen it, I posted it on Monday, so make sure you go check it out. And I just shared what I bought, but I was looking for some pumpkins, so I did pick up a couple. Good thing I didn't pick up more, because I do have tons of pumpkins that I can use for this DIY, so I don't need to buy any. So it's a good thing to kind of go through everything you have, so you know what you kind of do an inventory. And then next thing I do, I go over on Pinterest, and every year I change my style a little bit, I tweak it. I reuse stuff that I liked, but if there's anything that really I didn't enjoy the whole season I had it up, I like to change that up. So I go on Pinterest and get a couple new inspirations, create a new board. So I will link my Pinterest page it's actually already linked in the description box, but I will also share my board so you can kind of see things that I am looking into and kind of my inspirations. And then I'll write out a list of what I'm going to buy that I don't have and that I want to, and then first places that I hit up are thrift stores looking for things, because you'd be surprised how much stuff you can find there. I also make a list of DIYs that I will be creating for my home for fall decor, and then I'll go make a list of stuff that I need to buy, so that way I have a full list when I go out shopping. I also check out coupons for like Michael's. Unfortunately, I can't go to Hobby Lobby at this time because I was planning on going to Hobby Lobby in fall, but the borders haven't opened yet, and I don't think they will anytime soon, so I can't go to Hobby Lobby. I start early at HomeSense because they have tons of fall stuff already starting. So, and I think if you want to get the best deals, you got to start shopping early. Dollar Tree is a great place, but again, you kind of have to start early and keep checking, because our Dollar Trees aren't the greatest, but they do, if there's a season that they're the best for, the fall is one of them. And but they start early and they get bought out early, and then it's all gone. So gotta start there, Dollarama, and then anything else in between that I come across. I do like to shop online as well. There are great deals. Amazon has some great stuff. There's AliExpress. If you're gonna be shopping AliExpress, you better start shopping like middle of July. You're probably almost too late for that because the shipping is so long. And then Etsy shops are a great place to shop as well. There's local craft people that create stuff that maybe you can't create, so I hit up those as well. So and as far as the budget goes for my seasonal decor, it's usually not very high, and that's why I create a lot of stuff, and I rely on thrift stores to find things that I need. I tend to buy at HomeSense just absolute pieces that I love and I can't find anywhere else for cheaper, or I can recreate. So I set myself a budget. It's usually not very high at all. And but if I want to increase the budget, it is when I go through all my fall stuff, and there's stuff that I'm not crazy about anymore. I will pop it on Facebook Marketplace, on Kijiji, and see if I can sell it and use that money to increase my budget. It's just a little tip. I don't because I've been collecting seasonal decor for many years now. I do have a lot, and I do not need to spend a lot of money, but there are always these pieces that, you know, you walk into a store and go, wow, that is awesome, I really want that piece. And so, but again, it's good to know what you need, what you want, because it's easy to kind of just blow it out of proportion and buy all sorts of stuff and then don't know what to do with it. It did happen to me once at Christmas. So I like to be well planned. I like to know what I'm going to decorating each fireplace with, what my each room's going to look like before I actually set out decorating it. And that way I will have, once I have all my pieces, I will start grouping them by rooms, and then I will see if there is really anything missing, and then go from there. If I need to, I will add things to it. So I hope this kind of gave you my thinking process. I mean, everybody's different. Some people don't like decorating seasonally. I unfortunately probably won't start fully decorating till end of August, beginning of September, just because my family I have to respect my family, and their wishes are that I don't start too early, so I don't end the summer too early. So usually I spend August preparing, creating DIYs, sharing those DIYs on my DIY channel, and things like that, and gathering items. And then once I have everything, I have everything planned out, I hit the ground running end of August, beginning of September. So if you're visiting my channel first time, I would love it if you press the subscribe button, because there's going to be a lot of decorating things happening very soon on this channel, as well as fall cleaning. So if that's something that you enjoy, make sure you press that subscribe button, as well as the notification bell. And if you want to watch what I cook for fall, as well as what I create in DIY projects that I will be making, make sure you check out my other two channels that are linked down below in the description box. So I would like to thank Shauna for hosting this challenge. It got me going and getting things started, which is what I needed. So make sure you check out Shauna's channel, as channels, as well as the playlist, which will be linked down below. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.